Welcome to Can Do Portuguese by PortuguesePod101.com.
Oi, gente! O meu nome é Jade Furuta. Hi, everyone! My name is Jade Furuta. In this lesson, you'll learn how to ask what a word is in Portuguese.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Portuguese ebook before it's gone.
This is Ben Lee, and he's at a cafe doing a language exchange with his classmate Paula Pereira. It's the Portuguese portion of the exchange, and he points at the textbook and asks, "How do you say book in Portuguese?"
Como se diz book em português?
Listen to the conversation and focus on the question. Ready?
Como se diz book em português?
Se diz livro.
Once more with the English translation.
Como se diz book em português?
How do you say book in Portuguese?
Se diz livro.
You say book.
Let's take a closer look at the conversation.
Do you remember how Ben asks, "How do you say book in Portuguese?"
Como se diz book em português?
The standard way to ask for the meaning of a word in Portuguese follows a simple pattern. First is
Como,
how.
como, como.
Next is
Se diz,
literally, one says.
se diz. Se,
Roughly translating as one, as in one says.
se, se.
Next is
Diz,
says, as in one says.
diz. Diz,
Is from the verb
dizer,
meaning to say.
dizer.
Together,
Como se diz?
literally how one says, but translates as how does one say.
Como se diz?
After this is the English word book. Last is the phrase
Em português.
meaning in Portuguese.
Em português.
First is
Em,
in.
em, em.
After this is
Português.
Portuguese, as in the Portuguese language.
Português. Português.
Note, when the context is clear, you may omit.
Em português.
Altogether,
Como se diz book em português?
literally means something like how one says book in Portuguese, but translates as how do you say book in Portuguese?
Como se diz book em português?
Note the rising intonation of the sentence to mark that it's a question.
Como se diz book em português?
Let's take a closer look at the response.
Do you remember how Paula says, you say book?
Se diz livro.
First is,
Se diz,
which literally means one says, but translates here as you say.
se diz,
After this is the answer to the question,
livro,
book.
livro, livro.
Altogether,
Se diz livro.
literally means one says book, but it translates as you say book.
Se diz livro.
The pattern is
Como se diz English word em português?
how do you say English word in Portuguese?
Como se diz English word em português?
To use this pattern, simply replace the English word placeholder with the word you want to know. Imagine you want to know the Portuguese word for pen. Ask, how do you say pen in Portuguese? Ready?
Como se diz pen em português?
How do you say pen in Portuguese?
Como se diz pen em português?
This lesson introduces a grammatically complex but commonly used pattern, the impersonal form with se. The se construction is used to express what people do in general, rather than point to a specific person. The pattern is se plus a verb in the third person. The example used in the lesson was se diz. One says. Let's quickly look at a few more examples. Se chama. One calls. As in, one calls it a book. Se faz. One does. As in, one does this.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Como se diz book em português?
Se diz livro.
Como se diz book em português? Como se diz pen em português?
Se diz caneta.
Como se diz pen em português? Como se diz bag?
Se diz bolsa.
Como se diz bag? Como se diz pencil em português?
Se diz lápis.
Como se diz pencil em português?
Como se chama isto?
Se chama livro.
Como se chama isto? Did you notice how I used a different pattern?
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool, so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Como se chama isto?
What do you call this?
Como se chama isto?
This literally means, how does one call this? But it translates as, what do you call this? First is,
Como?
how.
Como?
Next is,
Se chama.
literally, one calls.
Se chama. Se.
One, as in, one calls.
Se. Se.
Next is,
Chama.
calls, as in, one calls.
Chama.
Last is,
Isto.
this.
Isto. Isto.
Altogether,
Como se chama isto?
what do you call this?
Como se chama isto?
This is a very useful pattern for using Portuguese to learn Portuguese. Do you remember the response? You call it a book.
Se chama livro. Se chama livro.
Literally, one calls book, but translates as you call it a book.
Se chama livro.
Let's review the new vocabulary.
Bolsa.
Bag,
Bolsa. Bolsa. Caneta.
pen,
Caneta. Caneta. Lápis.
pencil,
Lápis. Lápis. Isto.
this,
Isto. Isto.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say Portuguese, as in the language? Português. Português. And how to say in Portuguese? Em português. Em português. Do you remember how to say how? Como? Como? Do you remember how Ben asks, how do you say book in Portuguese?
Como se diz book em português?
Como se diz book em português? And how to say book? Livro. Livro. And do you remember how Paula says, you say book?
Se diz livro.
Se diz livro. Do you remember how to say this? Isto. Isto. And how to say, what do you call this? Como se chama isto? Como se chama isto?
Let's practice. Imagine you're Karen Lee, and you're having a language exchange lunch with Clara Costa. You point to the pen and ask, how do you say pen in Portuguese? Ready?
Como se diz pen em português?
Se diz caneta.
Listen again and repeat.
Como se diz pen em português? Como se diz pen em português?
Now you want to know the word for bag. Omit in Portuguese. Ready?
Como se diz bag?
Se diz bolsa.
Listen again and repeat.
Como se diz bag? Como se diz bag?
Let's try one more. Imagine you're Sasha Lee, and you're studying with your classmate. Point at a pencil and ask, "What do you call this?" Ready?
Como se chama isto?
Se chama lápis.
Listen again and repeat.
Como se chama isto? Como se chama isto?
This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Now you know how to ask how you say something in Portuguese. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.